it's me, Lil Ana, and today we're here with a special guest.
Me.
And today we're going to be making fluffy slime. First we'll need baking soda, shaving cream, food coloring, magical liquid, and glue.
For our tools, we'll be needing a bucket or a bowl, and you're going to need measuring spoons and measuring cups, and a spoon to stir. Anna will be going first.
Now we're going to add glue.
What was that?
I don't know.
Excuse you, Mr. Glue.
Add food coloring. I choose pink.
And I choose green. And then you mix it in thoroughly until you get the color you want.
It looks about ready, but I haven't added the magical liquid yet. So I'm going to add 1 drop and see what happens.
Just do that.
Girl, that was not a drop.
Honey, you're...
Now I'm a stir it.
How does it feel?
It feels so good.
Is it sticky?
No, it's perfect. It's stretchy now.
It's stretchy?
Yeah.
Like really stretchy? Can I feel it? I thought you was gonna say no. I was like, sis, excuse me?
Wrong video.
I didn't add the magical liquid, and I think mine is perfect. It's really stretchy, it's soft, it has a lot of bubbles, and I like popping them.
Well, I did add the magical liquid, and I thought it turned out better. So,
Can I feel it?
Sure.
Feel mine. Stretchier. In the future, I would definitely add a little bit more glue than the amount we added.
whoa! Wow, do this. It feels so good.
Here, you need to do like a poop first.
Well, we used raspberry shaving cream, and it smells really good. Whatever type of shaving cream you use is what is going to smell like. That didn't work.
So if you use raspberry like we did, your lime is going to smell like raspberries. And if you use strawberry shaving cream, it's going to smell like strawberries.
And if you use avocado, it's going to smell like avocado.
Why are you going to bring avocado?
Thank you for making slime with us. Don't forget to like and follow.
Just remember, you are loved and perfect just the way you are. Bye.
Bye.